Hello guys, welcome back. So as we have already completed our first challenge, let's take up our second challenge now, which is build a record triggered flow. So once if you launch your playground, let's go to our setup. So in this quick find, I'm just going to search for flows and click on the result. Here we are just going to create one new record triggered flow. For that, let's click on new flow. And here we are just going to click on record triggered flow followed by create. And guys, here for object we are going to give opportunity, and for configure trigger choose a record is created or updated. For condition requirement we are going to give all conditions are met. And if you scroll down, let's give our stage name, which is for our first field value. So let's give stage name over here, followed by operator which should be equal and value should be negotiation. And now we just need to click on add condition. So for this field I'm just going to give amount which should be greater than. Let's copy the value which is right over here. So once if you paste this value as well, just scroll down, and here I'm just going to select our second radio button followed by actions and related records and click on done, so that you will get a flow something like this. And now let's add one more element by clicking on this plus icon. We are just going to add create record over here. Once if you get the result, click on it, and here let's give a label. So this is going to be the label, so copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, API name would be auto populated. Now let's copy our description which is given right over here. So copy this and paste it over here. And for how to set the record field, we are just going to choose our second radio button, and for object we are going to give task. And now if you scroll down, in this field we are just going to provide subject. Let's copy our value which is given in our challenge. So copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, click on this add field again. So here we are just going to give activity date which is right over here, and here you are just going to give today's date, month and year. So this is in MMDDYY. So let me give this. So once if it is done, scroll down and click on this manually assign variable checkbox. So if you click that, you will able to see the stored task ID and all. So this is not we are going to do as of now, so let's delete this. And now click on add field. So for our third field, let's give it as owner ID followed by value as record followed by owner ID, which is right over here. So once if it is done, click on add field again. So for this we are going to give what ID. Let's give our value now. For that it's record followed by account ID, which is right over here. So we are just going to give until account. Let me do that again. So it's record ID, record followed by owner ID. So sorry guys, so it is going to be record followed by account ID. So if you scroll down, you will find account ID right over here. So once if it is done, let's save this flow. Click on save. So flow label, you can get it from our challenge itself. So copy this and paste it over here. And API name would be auto populated. Let's copy our description as well, which is given right over here. Copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, click on save. So this warning is because of this owner ID value. Let's remove this and let's do it again. So this is going to be record followed by owner ID. Which is right over here. So once if you choose this right one, you will not get this warning again. So let's close this and click on save again. So yeah guys, now we are ready to activate this as well. Click on activate. So hopefully we have completed this challenge. Let's scroll down and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our second challenge as well. Remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.